Starting an online business can feel overwhelming, right? It seems like you have to invent something world-changing, some world-changing product, become a coding genius overnight, and master a dozen platforms all at once. It's like being asked to build a rocket before you've even learned how to fly a kite. The internet is flooded with gurus telling you to grind for months or even years with no promise anyone will ever click your buy button. That fear of pouring your time, energy, and savings into something that flops, well, that's paralyzing. That's why most people never start. But what if you could sidestep the hardest, most time-consuming part of building an online business? In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch a profitable online business in weeks, not years, using a system that's almost entirely done for you. The shortcut. Let's be clear, this isn't magic. It's a shift in strategy. The old way was create everything from scratch, books, courses, templates, and hoping someone would buy. The new way flips that onto its head. It's called leveraging done-for-you digital products with master resell rights, not private label rights. These are pre-made, high-quality products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% profit. You don't need to be a writer or a designer. The heavy lifting is already done for you. Your role becomes the connector, connecting the right product to the right audience. It's one of the fastest, lowest risk ways to start earning online. Step 1, find your product. Here's where the fun begins. Private label rights, PLRs, let you edit, rebrand, and make it your own. Master resell rights, MRR, lets you sell it as is and pass those rights to your buyer. You can find them on marketplaces like PLR.me or IDPLR, but here's the secret, quality matters. Don't pick random fluff. Instead of a generic business planner, sell a social media content calendar for retailers. Instead of a vague wellness guide, offer a 30-day self-care journal for busy moms. Choose something that solves a specific problem for a specific person. Step 2, build your automated funnel. You don't need a fancy website. All you need is a simple 2-page sales funnel for 24/7 automated salesperson. Page 1 is a clear sale page explaining the problem, the solution, and a buy button. And page 2 is a simple checkout page. That's it. Tools like System.io, ConvertKit, or ClickFunnels make this drag and drop easy. They handle the payments and even deliver the digital products automatically after purchase. Once set up, this system runs on autopilot, whether you're sleeping, working, or out with the grandkids. If finding that first profitable idea feels tricky, I've got you covered. Grab my free guide, Top 10 Done-For-You Digital Product Niches. It breaks down the most profitable niches that you can start with right now. You'll find the link in the description below. It will save you hours of research. Step 3, turn on the traffic. Now you've got your product in your funnel. The last step, traffic. Don't try to be everywhere. Just pick one platform that your audience already uses. For most beginners, that's short form video. So TikTok, Instagram, Reels, or YouTube Shorts are all very good. Start creating a short 15 to 30 second value video. If you're selling a Canva guide, show quick tips like 3 Canva hacks you didn't know. Provide those little aha wins. And this builds trust and authority. People buy from creators who help them. And every video should end with a simple CTA. That means call to action. If you want the full beginner's guide, grab the link in my bio or see the Freedom Formula blueprint below and my Retirement Freedom Seekers community. Keep it simple. Consistency beats complexity. Final empowerment. Let's recap your game plan. Number 1, find a quality PLR or MRR product in a niche you care about. Number 2, build your 2-page funnel with a beginner-friendly tool. Number 3, use short-form video to send traffic to your funnel. Forget perfection. Done is better than perfect. Just get it out there and you can always work on it and fix it later. You don't need to be a genius or a tech wizard. You just need to start. The tools, systems, and shortcuts are already waiting for you. If you're looking for even more guidance, go to the description below and check out my Retirement Freedom Seekers community. So here's your sign to get in the game. Tell me in the comments, what kind of product would you sell first? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are ready to start learning our digital business. Don't forget, the Freedom Formula blueprint of done-for-you digital products is all listed below, and you can also join my Retirement Freedom Seekers community where I teach you everything step by step.